Hello, my name is Dr. Carmen Burke. I am a family holistic dentist practicing in Boulder, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about one of the options when you're missing a tooth. Your first option is always not to do anything. Choosing this option brings some consequences. What are the consequences when you don't replace a tooth? The adjacent migrates and they take that space, which means your occlusion can be really messed up because when they are rotating or a little drifted, so it's not the same occlusion, it's not a balanced occlusion. Another thing that can happen is that the opposite tooth start growing. We call that extrusion, is because it's looking for a partner just to stop. And that also can cause some TMJ problems, which is disarticulation, neck problems, and neck pain and headache. So it's always better to replace a tooth. When you're missing the last molar, it's not that important as the second molar from the back, but the problem is that when you're missing that tooth, the bone is always reabsorbing. The bone that is around the teeth is the alveolar bone, and the only function that this bone has is to be around teeth. So once we lose a tooth, the brain gives that order to the osteoclasts, which are the cells that eats bone, and they say we don't need that bone anymore because we don't have a tooth. So it starts going down, and that affects the first molar, which is the second from the back. So it's always better to replace a tooth, but it's always an option. If you have any other question, please just let us know. Thank you.